So this drawer on the top is missing its caster wheel on both sides of the drawer. And I can either replace this whole slide here, but I'm going to try to do a little bit of engineering. I bought this caster wheel and I put it in a vise to straighten. It had a bend in here. I put in a vise to straighten it. Let's see if I can get it to attach in there in the right spot. Okay, what I need to do is cut this one section off here and then go from there. Let's see if this guy will do something here. Time for another blade. So I cut off that piece of metal there and I wedged the caster in there. So I think I just need to secure these 2 points with some screws and I'll be in business.